Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we have an exciting topic for all you home design. We are going to explore 10 creative ways to maximize space in your home design. So if you are looking to make the most of your living space, stay tuned because these ideas are sure to inspire you. So our first tip for maximizing space is to invest in multifunctional furnitures. Sofa beds are a fantastic addition to any living rooms. During the day, they offer comfortable sitting, and at the night they can be transferred into a cozy bed for guests. Fold down tables in the kitchens or dining areas can save lot of space when you are not in use. They are perfect for small apartments or homes. Next up, let's talk about vertical storage solutions. Wall mounted slaves not only providing extra storage but also add a decorative elements to your space. They are great for displaying books, plants and collectibles. Tall cabinets in the kitchen or bedroom can maximize vertical space. Use them for pantry items, dishes or towels. Now let's explore the concept of hidden storage. Under bed storage, drawers or bins are a smart way to utilize the often overlooked space beneath your bed. Storage extra bedding, shoes or essential items. Ottomans with built-in storage can declutter your living rooms while providing a comfy place to put your feet up. Creating functional rooms dividers can give you more privacy and define separate areas in an open living space. Book slaves can double as room dividers, creating a visual separation between space while providing storage. Hanging curtains or screens can create a flexible barriers between areas without needs for permanent walls. Don't forget to make the most of those small nooks. Transfer a small alcove into a cozy reading nook with built-in shelving and a comfortable chair. A dedicated home offer nook, even it in a tiny space, can be achieved with a wall-mounted desk and smart organization. So there you have it, 10 creative ways to maximize space in your home's design. Whether you are living in a studio apartment or a spacious homes, this idea can help you optimize your space and make it both functional and beautiful